In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove gaps from your video in Clipchamp in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just dipping your toes into video editing, Clipchamp is a user-friendly tool that can make tidying up your projects a breeze. So let's jump right in and streamline those videos. First, go ahead and open up your browser and head over to clipchamp.com. If you've got an account, you can sign in right away. Otherwise, it might be a good time to set up an account and get started. Once you're there, click on Continue with Microsoft for a quick login if you have a Microsoft account. This option makes the login process seamless and convenient. After you've logged in, you'll land on the home page. From here, you're going to want to click on Create a New Video. This will take you to Clipchamp's video editor interface. Once in the editor, look for the Import Media button. Clicking this allows you to bring in the video files you need to work on. Simply drag and drop your files into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the magic happens as you edit your video. Now that your video is in the timeline, it's time to start cleaning things up. You can edit your clip by using the cutting or splitting tools. Clipchamp makes it easy to slice through your clips and remove unnecessary sections that you might not need, creating a more compact and refined video sequence. Be sure to go through every merged video clip, checking for the smoothness in transitions, ensuring everything flows nicely. Now let's locate those annoying gaps. Skim through your timeline, and if any are spotted, simply right click on your mouse and select Delete Gaps. Clipchamp also offers a helpful option to delete all visual gaps at once. Just click on Delete All Visual Gaps and the software will automatically remove those pesky blank spaces, making your timeline look clean and your video more enjoyable to watch. With your gaps removed and your video seamlessly stitched together, it's time for the finishing touch. Navigate to the Export button to render your newly polished video file. Clipchamp allows you to export in various resolutions depending on your needs, so choose the setting that's right for you. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can remove unwanted gaps from your videos and ensure a smooth, professional quality final product. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with Clipchamp and soon you'll be editing like a pro. Thanks for tuning in today and happy editing.